A series LCR circuit containing 5 Henry inductor, 80 microfarad capacitor and 40 ohm resistor is connected to a 234 volts variable frequency AC source. So this is basically RMS value, VRMS. ठीक है, और ये LCR circuit. The angular frequencies of the source at which the power transfer to the circuit is half the power at the resonant angular frequency are likely to be. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग रेजोनेंट एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल लेते हैं. रेजोनेंट एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी कब होगा? जब ये ज़ीरो हो जाए. तो जब ये ज़ीरो हो जाएगा तो ध्यान से अगर देखिए तो करंट जो है बढ़ जाता है ना. E नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय R विल बी द पीक करंट. तो इसीलिए फॉर रेजोनेंट एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 by omega c minus omega should be 0, so therefore omega is equal to 1 by root LC. तो रेजोनेंट एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल लेते हैं 1 by root L. L is 5, C is 80 to 10 to the power minus 6. So this becomes divided by 400. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, which is 100 divided by 2, 50. Now frequency, okay, they are asking angular frequency. ठीक है, तो एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी तो हमारा जो है 50 रेडियन पर सेकेंड निकल गया. अब क्या है ना, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. It is like at which the power transfer to the circuit is half the power at the resonant angular frequency. अब half the power कब होगा? half the power कब होगा? जब XL माइनस XC जो है वो R के बराबर हो. ये हमको ध्यान में रखना है. ठीक है. And when this is the case, then the frequency is going to be resonant frequency plus R divided by 4 pi L and resonant frequency minus R divided by 4 pi L. ठीक है. तो अब now what is omega? Omega is 2 pi f. So therefore omega 2 है ना, इसको जो है 2 pi से मल्टीप्लाई करती है. तो omega 2 should be equal to omega R plus R by 2L, and this is R minus R by 12, so it is plus minus R by 12. This is the formula. अब ये फॉर्मूला कैसे निकलता है, इसका डेरिवेशन we can see the derivation. ठीक है, पहले इसको निकाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर डेरिवेशन देखेंगे. ठीक है, तो ओमेगा विल बी ओमेगा R was 50 plus minus R, which is 40 divided by 2 into L, 2 into 5. So 50 plus minus 40 divided by 10, gone. So 50 plus minus 4, which is 46 and 54 radian per second. So therefore the answer is going to be C. अब इसका डेरिवेशन कैसे होता है, लाइक हाउ डू वी अंडरस्टैंड कि ना XL माइनस XC शुड बी इक्वल टू R. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग देखते हैं. पावर इज इक्वल टू VRMS IRMS cos phi, where phi is the power factor. Now VRMS into I can be written as VRMS by Z cos phi. Now this should be equal to half the power at resonance. So half the power at VRMS square by R. Okay. So this is gone. So what we are left with is, so cos phi by Z. Now what is cos phi? तो ये है Z, this is the phi and this is R. So Z cos phi is R. So cos phi is R by Z. So we can write cos phi is R by Z to z, which is equal to half r. So therefore z square is equal to 2r square. Now what is z square? Z is root over xl minus xc whole square plus r square. अब इसका square should be equal to 2r square. So therefore now we square it. Okay, so square it. So xl minus xc whole square plus r square is equal to 2r square. So therefore xl minus xc should be equal to plus minus r. ठीक है, this is the condition for half the power at the resonant angular frequency. ठीक है, और उसके लिए जो है we have this formula omega equals 50 plus minus r divided by 2l. ठीक है, so that's how we find out. Thank you.